never mind. Oh,
Welcome all. I have selected this photo with quick selection tool and going to layer copy. As you can see, the layer is copied. Now making a new layer which is of a city, Shanghai city. Placing this hill area on this photo. The city is our background layer. I'm going to flip it horizontal. Resizing it. Now I have to change this hill area color with the color balance, linking it with this hill area, increasing the yellow color, because I have to match this hill area with this background layer. So as you can see, this hill area has some brightness, so now going to reduce its brightness, curve, linking it with a hill area, reducing some brightness, giving some effect with color lookup, candlelight effect. As you can see, just checking the effects with the blending mode option. I think the first one is best. Which was that? Lots of layer, hard light. Yes. Hope you like this video. Do comment, do share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for 100 subscribers. Check out my previous video and hit that red subscribe button.